Hey, Tim on the lift, 911, Danny's here. We're all the way up here, power lines are down there. There's a lot of problems up here, more than caulking. This window's leaking, but whatever's it's getting behind this scratch coat. You can hear how hollow it is if the cars weren't going, but see where it's coming out right there, and this lintle's swollen up. So I would think that you might need to get like needle beams and something to pick this up, put new steel in, because that steel there on those two windows is gone. I mean, it's sagging. I mean, it's sagging 3/8 of an inch.
They put more on top of it. See,
yeah,
there's 3 layers of beam there.
and so you can see where the window, actually the header or the metal of the window frame is sagging there. And the roof is not even really terminated as far as where it's cut at there. They just laid a cap on top of it. So we need to check the roof right there coming down that ladder. And then down here, if you look, I'll drop down. So really we just caulked this in right here and there. Got that hole over to that side, but that stuff needs way more work than a lift. we need some masonry guys and some mortar and needle beams and steel lintel, at least 3/8 steel. So as you go down, you'll see more damage, more mortar damage that needs to be worked down in here. Tim back again. We went down a level. We're halfway between the third and or the fourth and the third floor. Here you got a lot of crack out on the concrete corners. Somebody made a repair there, and then they just cut the rebar off. But here, you know, like we need to get all this out, put vertical on it. Same there, same down there. We have a big hole here. I think water is getting in, so we're gonna just temporarily caulk it, but that needs to be scratched up. And then, like, if you look at that patch there, they just use normal mortar, not concrete, so it's not gonna hold real well. Same with, you got another corner there, and then we got some corners down there. But that 45 would probably get to here, wouldn't it? It might be a lot easier to maneuver down here.
I don't think so.
It doesn't? So, just taking a look at everything while we're here, but it's gonna need some attention. Top, so if you look at top of the second floor, across all those windows, it's wide open. I mean, you can see where that concrete is just cracked all the way down. It has to be patched out. And then you got this spot here. So all the way down, this whole back side needs a lot of work.